Hey everybody, Boomhauer69 here. Just want to let people know on my YouTube channel, Boomhauer69, this church right behind me here, I did a walkthrough video. Here's the thumbnail of that video. I did a walkthrough video of this church, and my goal is to make that video go viral all over the internet, gain a lot of views and subscribers from that video, to simply help this church by taking the ad revenue from that video and giving it to the owners of this church here to simply help them fix it up and make it new again. It's a church that's over 100 years old, built back in the 1800s, and it needs a little repair work and a little sprucing up and to make it pretty again. But with a little elbow grease and some money, this bad boy could be a nice church again, and I'd be able to save a piece of American's history, a piece of United States history, a piece of Michigan's history, and so forth and so on. So please, go watch that video. Links will be in the description. Go watch that video. Links will be in the description. And share it with everyone you know to help me, Boomhauer69, and reaching that goal of making that video go viral all over the internet.